Hi, today I will be introducing to you two expert advisors which I have designed especially to help you trade the DTM system. These two expert advisors, one is called SARTrailling and the other is called Strategy, it's this one, Strategy-GoldenFinger. Now, the SAR trailing stop loss, it will help manage a trade after it has been entered on all the open trades that you have. So for example, let's say you have a trade on Euro US dollar and another trade on GBP USD and another 5 trades on different currencies. So you will not have time to monitor all of them and apply the rules for exit on all of them in case the market changes direction. So this SAR trailing stop loss will exit the trade whenever the market changes direction, and this way you will not need to wait until the stop loss is hit, so you will exit the trade. This will save some pips, and it will help manage the trades on all the open positions. Now you need to attach this expert advisor SAR trading only on one chart, and it can be on any currency pair that you have, and it will trade and manage the trades on all the open positions on all currency pairs. So you don't need to attach it on every open position. Just attach it on one chart, whatever it is, and it will just manage all the trades on all pairs. Now, the strategy GoldenFinger, you have to attach it on whatever trade you want to take. And I will show you how you can install it now. And also I will show you how you can use it. So first we have to copy these trades. So, because these are both expert advisors, they will go into the e-experts folder. So we just copy them. Okay. Open. Now, this is, for example, one account. We open this account. We open data folder. We go to experts. And we paste them. Okay, now they are pasted in the experts folder. Now we close, and for the effects to take place, we have to close the MetaTrader 4 and reopen it again. Okay. So now the expert advisors are active and we can start using them. But to make things easier for you, I would suggest that you do the following, which is, let's say we will open any currency pair. Now the default chart is a blank chart. What we can do to help make this faster when we want to trade, we have to do the following. Just change the time frame to 15 minutes first. Make this chart not at the end of the price is not at the end of the chart, and then we can do this. Where did it? Okay, DTM. So we apply, change the color, right? Okay, take the grid out. Okay, so now we have this chart, and we can also attach the expert advisor, which is the one which will take the trades. Now, this will take trades, it will trigger trades based on the GoldenFinger strategy. So make sure to allow the trades. Now, by default, it will be trading a buy trade. So the direction is a buy trade. Now, if you want to take a sell trade or wait for a sell trade to be triggered, you can just change this to a sell trade. Now, also by default, the lot size is 1.0, but let's say we can change it to 0.1. And let's just keep everything else the same. Now, we will press OK. Now, what we can do to help make these open faster when we have a trade is we save this as a default. So save this template as default. So we put here, this is a default template. Okay, save. So we saved it. Now, let's say while we are looking for trades, we find this Euro US dollar. So, okay, let's say we want to wait until we have a trade on the Euro US dollar. So what we can do is just press Euro US dollar here, and it will automatically, as you see here, open the trade with the GoldenFinger, which is the trigger expert advisor. Now, let's just give another example just to make things clear. Now, let's say we have AUD yen, okay, because there's not enough data on the chart, so we just reapply the thing, okay. Now, okay, I see that maybe we have a trade on the AUD yen, so we just open the AUD yen from here, and it will automatically, as you see here, open the chart for trading. And because it's a sell trade, we just need to make this a sell trade. Now, if it was a buy trade, as you see here, okay, this is also a sell trade. Okay, let's see if I can find a buy trade. Okay, there's not enough data on the chart, but anyway, if it was a buy trade, this is, for example, waiting for a buy trade, the Canadian yen, okay. So, so no, it's also a sell trade because, let's see, Swiss yen. So, all the trades are practically now in a sell mode. So, okay, we have to just get the concept. Okay, the idea is whenever you will open a new chart for the trade that you want, it will automatically open it. So you will have the trade and it will be automatic. Okay, one thing you can do to make it as well better is to have the trigger, the GoldenFinger trigger. Okay, so, and save it as default. So template, save, default. So this is the default chart that will open when you don't have an open chart. So this will help automatically wait until, for example, after the price has reached the sell zone, the red cell rectangle here. Now it will automatically wait until the GoldenFinger triggers a sell trade. So it will not just enter here, it will automatically wait until there's a triggered sell trade set up, and it will take it. Now just so you will understand what it also does, it will look at the 30-minute here, as you see. It will look at the 30-minute time frame. So let's say it triggered a buy trade on the golden finger indicator. Now, because the 30-minute time frame is down, and we chose that this trend time frame will be a confirmation for us, then it will not take the buy trade. It will only wait for sell trades when the golden finger indicator will trigger. Okay, so this will keep you out of bad trades by impatience or impulsive trading or not abiding to the rules. So this will help you a lot. Or trading against the main trend that you are looking at. By the way, I advise you always to look for trades on the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes. Don't go for the 4 hours, because the problem with 4-hour time frame is that whenever a trade is triggered on the 4-hour, it will be a little bit too late. Whenever a trend direction is triggered there, because usually the 4-hour and the daily, they are slow in changing the trend, and they will be late. So this is a day trade system, and it's better to use it on short time frames like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but 30 minutes is my favorite. Now, another thing I want to show you is after we enter a trade, now what we want to have the SAR trailing, the other expert advisor. We want it to manage the open trades, because if we have like 7 or 8 open trades, we will not be able to manage all of them. We will be a little bit overwhelmed, a little bit lost. So what we can do is just come here, get the SAR trailing. Now just allow live trading. Make sure to allow live trading, okay? And this will work on whatever time frame we choose as well for the trend. So whenever a trend changes, it will exit. And whenever a parabolic SAR on the settings that I will show you, it will also exit on the 15-minute chart, okay? So attach this to the 15-minute chart to exit with the parabolic SAR. So what parameters it will use for the parabolic SAR? It will use these parameters, trend. So it's a parabolic SAR, and it will use the 0.05 and 0.1. This is what it will use. It will use these as exit. So for example, the default settings for parabolic SAR will not be the same. So this is how the indicator works with the parabolic SAR. It will give it room until maybe the price goes to target. Now this, when we make sure it's smiling and auto trading is green here. So this will monitor the trades not only on the Euro US dollar chart, although we attach it on the Euro US dollar, but it will monitor the trades on the AUD yen as well, and all the open trades. So this is how these expert advisors will help you manage trades. And if you have any questions, I will be happy to help. Okay, thank you.